Hey everyone, my name is Micaela Eunice Didi Guzman. I'm from BIP 237 and I'm going to discuss the level of roasting. So we have 4 levels of roasting. The light, medium dark, and dark roast. Okay, first is the light or tinatawag na pale or New England roast. Ang shelf life neto is 21 days. For the medium or the city or American roast, ang shelf life naman niya is 14 days. For the medium dark roast or the full or high or Viennese roast is ang shelf life naman niya is 10 days. And then for the dark roast, which is ito na yung espresso or French Italian roast, ang shelf life naman niya is 7 days. So sa light roast, ang bean characteristics niya is first is yung light brown in color but not shiny. Then light body and no oil. So wala siyang oil, guys. Next is beans are quite dense. So medyo dense siya and difficult siya mag-split. Like ganun. And then no brittle. So, yung flavor characteristic naman niya is higher level naman siya ng acidity than darker roast. So, mas mataas po ang acidity ng light kesa sa dark. Tandaan. So, another flavor characteristic niya is toasted grain paste. So, medyo tostado. And also, delicate siya sa flavor and aroma. Yung light roast kasi is medyo nasa sweet siya na flavor, guys. Then, ito yung mga common names naman niya, which is yung binanggit ko na kanina. So, light city, half city, cinnamon roast or roasted just before the crack. And then, yung New England roast. And then, for the medium roast, ang kanyang bean characteristic naman is medium brown shade siya. Siyempre, medium roast nga. Medyo brown yung color niya. So, eto, no oil pa rin siya. Naman is slightly more brittle. Also, little smoother texture. So, mas smooth yung texture neto kaysa sa light na roast. For the flavor characteristic naman niya, guys, mild lang yung level ng acidity niya kesa sa light roast. Kasi yung light roast, guys, mas mataas ang acidity nun. Tapos, eto naman, nasa mid lang. So, eto naman is more balanced yung flavor niya, aroma, and acidity. Kasi nga, nasa medium siya. So, eto, medyo yung balance ng mga aroma niya, flavor, gano'n. And also, acidity. Mas mataas. Ayun ang ng medium roast is mas mataas yung level ng bitterness niya kesa sa light roast. And then, ito naman yung mga common names ng medium roast is the regular roast, American roast, city roast, and breakfast roast. Next naman is medium dark roast. So, yung bean characteristic naman nito is mas richer and also, mas dark yung color niya. And dito na nagkakaroon siya ng oil, guys. Kasi lumalabas na siya. Medyo shiny rin siya kaysa sa mga nauna nating mga roast, guys. And eto naman, has a heavy body in comparison with the light or medium roast. And for the flavor characteristic naman niya, guys, syempre, dito, mananotice mo pa rin yung aroma niya and flavor. Ito din is nasa mild din or middle lang din yung acidity niya kesa sa medium roast. And lastly, mas lesser naman yung caffeine nito kesa sa light and medium roast. So, ito yung mga common names ng medium dark roast or ito yun. Full city roast or roasted to the beginning of the second crack. After dinner roast and Vienna roast. So, tatlo lang yung common names niya, guys. Tapos, ito na yung pinakalas natin, which is, ito na yung espresso, guys. Dito na talaga is medyo dark na yung shade niya at papunta na sa black. Tapos, mas lower naman yung density nito. May brittle pa rin siya. Smooth din yung texture niya. Tapos yung appearance niya is shiny pa din. And eto na siya guys. Oily na siya. Dito na yung pinaka-oily kesa sa mga nauna natin. Sa light, walang oil. Sa medium, walang oil. Sa medium dark, medyo may oil. And then sa dark rose, may oil na talaga siya guys. Flavor characteristic naman niya, ito naman, mababa ang level ng acidity niya guys. Mas mababa yung level ng acidity niya kaysa sa mga nauna nating rose. Level ng rose. Ito, mas bitter to guys and smoky or even burnt taste. Kasi nga, mas matagal tong na rose guys. Kaya, may mga ganun siyang taste na. And then, mas high naman yung level din neto sa bitterness. Kung i-compare mo siya sa light or medium dark rose. Kasi mas bitter talaga to guys. Kasi, mas matagal siyang na rose, di ba? Common sense. So, ito yung mga common names ng dark rose, French rose, Italian rose, espresso rose, continental rose, New Orleans rose, and Spanish rose, guys. Okay, so ang next na natin i-discuss is yung types ng grinds. So, meron tayong 5 types of grinds. Extra coarse grind, ito yung pang cold brewing, like the Toddy Brewer. So, yung Toddy Brewer, guys, i-search nyo na lang. Mostly commonly used for French press coffee. So, mas dun siya nagagamit. Like, commonly siya na nakikita dun sa French press coffee. Next is the coarse grind. So, for the coarse grind, ito naman yung French press pot, cupping, and ito yung medium coarse or medium roast na tinatawag. Kasi siya yung medium coarse coffee grind and specialty siya na ginagamit sa mga cafe solo. Next is the medium coarse grind. So, sa medium coarse grind, ito naman yung cafe solo brewer. Chemex brewer pa rin siya. And ito pa rin yung ginagamit din. Like, same lang siya sa coarse grind. Magkaparehas lang actually yung medyo magkaparehas sila ng coarse grind. So, ito na yung sa espresso o yung fine grind. Ito na yung fine na talaga siya. Like, and ano pa yung extra fine grind. So, mas sobrang fine pa siya. Kung durog na siya, mas fine pa, guys. Kasi, ito na yung ginagamit sa Turkish coffee, guys. Mostly. Yun lang, guys. Guys, thank you.